Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Instagram crash problem on iPhone iPad. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, you have to open your iPhone settings and check Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you have connected to strong internet connection, and after this need go back. Open your setting again. Now tap on general. Now tap on iPhone storage. Now tap on and tap on offload app and reinstall. After this go back. At last you need to open App Store and tap on search bar and search here Instagram app. And open Instagram app. Check for update. If not updated, you need to open update your Instagram app and go back. And after doing the all steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.